All right, so on this lesson, well, I almost forgot to show you. We are on page 47, lesson 5, okay? It's really more about graphing than anything. All this vocabulary is going to be extremely important for you every year after this, okay? So this whole thing right here, it's called a graph, okay? But in this context, we're going to call it coordinate plane. Okay, a coordinate plane has an origin. It has an x-axis, that's the axis that goes in left and right always. It has a y-axis that goes up and down. And you can see the little y here, the little x here, okay? And then it has ordered pairs, which are coordinates on the grid, okay? Ordered pairs right here. Now, an ordered pair always has the x value first, so see the 5, 4? That's x, and the y value second. So x, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 along the x-axis, that's 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4 along the y-axis, that's the point 5, 4. Okay, so it says, in 3 minutes a North American wood turtle can travel about 17 yards. Okay, I need to see if I can actually put that into an ordered pair. So it says minutes and yards. So minutes is 3 minutes, 17 yards. And I can actually graph that on here, okay? Let's skip this. I'm just going to work through 2 examples here. Okay, so page 50, it says 2 friends are saving money in their bank accounts. Abdul saves 10 dirham each week and Ali saves 15 each week. Okay, so here's Abdul, week 1, 10 dirhams a week. 10, so the first week. Second week it's going to be 20, 30, 40. So to write these as ordered pairs, it's going to be 1 comma 10, 2 comma 20, 3 comma 30, 4 comma 40. Notice x, y. So here's your x week, y, how much he saved. Ali is saving 15, so he's saving a little bit quicker. So 15 the first week, 30 the second week, 45 the third week, 60 the fourth week, 1 comma 15, 2 comma 30, 3 comma 45, 4 comma 60. So now it's going to say, all right, we'll graph the ordered pairs for each friend on the same coordinate plane. All right, so here is, let's do Abdul's first. So Abdul in week 1, 10 dirham, so 1 comma 10, 1 comma 10. Week 2, comma 20, 3, 30, 4, 40. And that's just all of these points right here. Okay, this is Abdul. Now the next one, Ali has got 1 week 15, 2, 30, 3, 45. So 1, 15, 2, 30, 3, 45, 4, 60. That's Ali. And you can see Ali is saving much faster than Abdul, okay? Then it says, well, I mean, I'm already answering the question. It says, how do the ratios Abdul savings and Ali's savings compare? How is it shown in the graph? Ali's saving way faster than Abdul. That's how they compare. And it shows in the graph because Ali's is steeper than Abdul's, okay? And that's really it. Let me do one more, I guess. So it says, Zayed's home supply charges 5 AED for each meter of fencing. Yahala's warehouse charges 6 AED for each meter of fencing. Okay, so I'm going to use this table to represent Zayed. So here's fencing by the meter. 1 meter for Zayed's home supply is 5. 2 meters is 10. 3 meters, 15. 4 meters, 20. Let's write them as points. Okay. Then Yahala's is 1 meter for 6 dirham. So 6, 2 meters for 12, 3 for 18, 4 for 24. 1, 6, 2, 12, 3, 18, 4, 24. It says, next I need to graph the ordered pairs for each store on the same coordinate plane. Okay, so I'm going to do Zayed's in blue. I'm going to do Yahala's in red. Okay, so Zayed's in blue. 1 for 5, 2 for 10, 3 for 15, 4 for 20. Alright, and then Yahala's is 1 for 6, 2 for 12, 3 for 18, 4 for 21. Okay, and then it says, using the tables and graphs, write a few sentences comparing the ratios of amount charged per meter of fencing for each store, as is shown in the graph. Well, I'm going to just, instead of writing, I'm going to just say it. So Yahala's is going to cost more. Okay, you can see it on the graph, how it's a little bit steeper than Zayed's, or Zayd's. So Zayd's is, it's only 1 dirham less, right, per meter, but if you're using 200 meters of fencing, then it's going to be eventually at a point where it's 200 less. Okay? So yeah, it's going to cost you more to go with Yahala's warehouse, or Yahala's warehouse. Okay? And that's it.